If you are manually dragging and dropping files to a backup drive at the end of every workday, you are performing the digital equivalent of stuffing paper folders into a cardboard box. It is tedious, repetitive, and entirely unnecessary. We can replace that daily chore right now with a single-click tool that does the exact same job in milliseconds. We are going to build a Windows batch script. This is simply a plain text file containing a sequence of instructions that the command prompt reads and executes instantly, without requiring any manual input. To follow along and build this yourself, you need a Windows PC, a source folder containing test files, and an empty destination folder. By taking 5 minutes to write out these instructions once, you permanently eliminate a persistent daily task from your schedule. Step 1 is accessing the tool that will run our script. Click the Windows search bar and type CMD to locate the command prompt utility. Before you hit enter, we need to address permissions. Opening the application normally gives you standard user access. Opening it with elevated privileges gives you system-level control. If your script attempts to copy system-level or hidden files without elevated privileges, the terminal will instantly throw an access denied error and halt the backup. To bypass that roadblock, right-click Command Prompt in the search results and select Run as Administrator. You can verify you have the correct privileges by checking for the word Administrator in the title bar. Establishing proper execution permissions ensures your script has the authority to move the data you pointed at. It is the mandatory first step before writing any IT automation. The engine driving our script is a built-in Windows utility called Xcopy. It is designed for robust, high-volume file transfers. This diagram shows the required base syntax for the tool. Xcopy demands 2 pieces of information to function: an exact path to your source data and an exact path to your destination folder. With the source and destination set, we add specific instructions called parameters. We start by typing a space, followed by /E. This forces the tool to copy all subdirectories inside your source folder, including the empty ones, preserving your exact folder structure. Next, we add /H. This instructs the system to locate and copy hidden files and system files, ensuring nothing is left behind. Then we add /C. If a specific file is locked or throws an error during the transfer, this parameter forces the process to continue copying the rest of the files instead of crashing the entire script. Finally, we add /I. If you are copying multiple files and the destination does not exist yet, this forces the system to assume the destination is a folder. It suppresses unnecessary prompts waiting for user confirmation. By appending these 4 specific parameters, the basic copy function becomes an error-proof synchronization tool capable of running entirely unsupervised. Now we compile those commands into a permanent file. Open Notepad on your desktop. On the very first line, type @echo-off. This command tells the terminal to suppress the background text of the commands themselves, keeping the visual output clean and readable. Press Enter and paste your fully assembled Xcopy command line, complete with your specific source path, destination path, and the 4 parameters, directly onto the second line. On the third line, type echo, followed by a space and the phrase "backup completed successfully." This prints a clear, human-readable confirmation message in the terminal when the data finishes transferring. On the fourth and final line, type pause. This pauses the batch file execution. Without this, the terminal window will instantly vanish when the transfer finishes, giving you 0 time to read your success message or check for errors. Click File, then Save As. Click the Save As Type dropdown and select All Files. Name your file Backup, then explicitly type .bat at the end of the name. Hitting Save right here is the exact moment you override the default text format. You have successfully compiled a static text document into executable software. Let's test the tool. Arrange your screen so you can clearly see the new executable script file you just made, right next to your currently empty destination folder. Double-click the new batch file icon to run it. A black command prompt terminal will instantly appear directly on your screen. Look at the terminal output. Because we used @echo-off, you won't see the raw code. You will only see the copied files list. your custom backup completed successfully message, and a prompt asking you to press any key to continue. Now look at your destination folder. All the data from your source path has successfully populated in real time, completely mirroring the original folder structure. Setting up a visual test like this proves the logic is sound. It is the only way to verify the file transfer actually works before you rely on it for critical daily backups. You now have a personalized, functioning IT automation tool built entirely from scratch. Because of the parameters we included, you never have to update this script. If you add 50 new files to the source folder tomorrow, the /E and /H parameters guarantee the script will automatically locate and capture them the next time you click the icon. You can make this even more efficient. By opening the Windows Task Scheduler utility, you can point your system directly at this batch file and instruct it to execute silently in the background at 5 p.m. every Friday. A manual drag and drop backup takes roughly 5 minutes of clicking, waiting, and verifying. Executing this script daily saves 25 minutes a week, or 21 hours over the course of a year. True IT proficiency is about stringing terminal commands together into systems that buy back your time.